All right, welcome to Issue 35, Ashley.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you as a Promega student ambassador for Issue. Can you tell me how that's been going for you?
It's been going really well. I've enjoyed all the workshops that I've been able to attend because of the student ambassador program, and I've met a lot of interesting people, so it's been going well.
What other kind of activities did you get to do or have to do to become this ambassador?
Over the summer, we did some Instagram takeovers to promote Ishi. I also sent in just a little bit about myself in their Under the Microscope section as well, and all the other ambassadors did that too, so you can see that all on the Ishi website.
That's so great. So what did you bring with you here to Issue 35 to present?
Yes, so today I have my study, the evaluation of the PowerSeq coal mine system on a Lebanese population. So basically just looking at Lebanese samples using the Promega PowerSeq kit to evaluate these samples and determine concordance with data generated by another lab to see how the kit works and if I get the same results as they do or not.
And were you successful in getting the same results?
So far, it's been pretty good. About only 2% of the samples have been different so far in haplogroups, but I'm still looking into individual variants and then regions of potential low coverage within the kit. So
That's great. Now I'm curious, why the Lebanese population?
yes, so actually my PI over at the Center for Forensic Science Research and Education, her name is Dr. Mirna Gemrawi, and she was very nice and let me use these samples that she had previously collected from Lebanon. So that's how I came across them.
That's great. Now, as another aspect of this, being here at Issue, you've been able to take in some of the talks and other things like that. Do you have one that really sticks out in your mind?
I feel like they've all been great, but the one that sticks out the most is the keynote speaker. That whole presentation and that panel was just really inspiring and showed a lot about what forensics impact in the real world.
Yeah. So where do you think that your future impact in the forensics world is going to lead you?
I'm not 100% positive about that yet, but I'm hoping to continue working with next generation sequencing, keep using this technology, and then maybe even do third generation sequencing as well, just keep using emerging technologies.
That's spectacular. And being here, have you been able to get to speak to some of these things with some of the vendors or some of the other people that have attended?
Yeah, so I've kind of gone around to pretty much all the booths at this point and got to speak to people who are doing whole genome sequencing. It's been really interesting, and also got to talk to Dr. Nicole Navrosky in an interview with her too, and she's done a lot of whole genome sequencing as well. So it's been cool.
Sounds like you've been very busy.
Yes, definitely.
That's great. So if there was somebody out there in the world who was thinking about becoming an Issue student ambassador, what would be your advice to them?
I would say definitely apply and definitely do it. It's been a great experience.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for spending some time with us, and maybe I'll see you at Issue 36.
I hope so.
All right. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.